Welcome to this video. This is Barath Surendran, and following to the videos which I have done, primarily it is about digital marketing. This video is going to be on WordPress. And what is exactly WordPress? WordPress is actually a platform which is a content management system which is used to develop websites, web portals. You can use it to develop blogs. You can use it to develop anything whatever you want online. So what you need to have is you need to first connect it to your internet, number one. Number two, you have to buy a domain, number one. Number two, you need to buy a hosting space. Now, what is this hosting space? I'll tell you. The hosting space is a space where your website files are located. So I recommend you to buy a Linux hosting space. There are two kinds of hosting space. One is Linux hosting space, another is your Windows hosting space. People normally go for Linux hosting space. In case of WordPress, it's a open source software, so we go for a Linux hosting space. And once you buy it, you get something called a cPanel, and on the cPanel you can go and install WordPress. Once you do install WordPress, what you get is you can go into a particular domain /wp-admin. Right now I'm in /wp-admin. You have username and password. So once you set this username and password, you can enter the username and the password. So once you enter the username and the password, you can actually enter into the back end of the website. Right now this is the back end of the website. Once you go into the back end of the website, you can create wonderful looking websites and web portals and web pages and so on. So once you go here, you have so many things. Like, for example, you have the pages, you have something called the posts, you have something called media, you have something called projects, you have something called appearance, you have something called plugins, you have something called users, you have something called tools, you have something called settings, and so on. So you have all these things ready made which can be used for developing a website. So in following videos, I would like to probably teach you certain things on the WordPress that you can use to develop wonderful looking web pages. For example, I would like to show you this web page which is actually developed using WordPress, right? So on the WordPress, I can write content, I can put and plug my videos like this. For example, these are my videos I have plugged, and I can have different sections which are designed on the website. So it is so easy, web page. So it is so easy and comfortable for you. And suppose in future you want to do the SEO portion, there are plugins, plugins like Yoast plugin which can be used for optimizing on the SEO front. Similarly, you can have different kinds of components like your membership management system, you can have content management system, you can have the CRM, all connected in one platform. So that's it, and see you in the next